In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from the USA to India through Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account. If you do not have an account yet, make sure you complete the sign-up process first and log in before continuing. Once you are inside the app or website, look toward the top of the screen where you can choose the destination country. Click on the country shown there and select India. This step is important because it sets the transfer route and makes sure you see the correct options for sending money. After selecting India, click on Send Money. This will take you to the Transfer Setup screen where you can begin entering the details for your transaction. At this stage, if the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your Remitly account, you can simply click on that saved contact to continue. This is the fastest option and helps reduce errors when sending repeat transfers. If the recipient is not already saved, click New Contact. Then select their country, which in this case should be India. Make sure this matches the destination you selected earlier, so your transfer is processed correctly. Take your time here because choosing the wrong country can lead to delays or failed transfers. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly may also show you the estimated amount the recipient will receive, depending on exchange rates and any transfer fees. It is always a good idea to double-check this section so you understand the total cost before moving forward. After that, select the delivery method. This determines how the money will reach the recipient. Depending on what Remitly offers for this route, you may see options such as bank deposit or another available delivery choice. Choose the option that works best for the recipient and make sure it matches how they want to receive the funds. Then, select your payment method. This is how you will pay for the transfer, such as through a linked bank account or another payment option available in your account. Once you have chosen the payment method, click Continue. At this point, you will need to enter the recipient's account details. Be careful when typing this information, since even a small mistake can delay the transfer. Once everything is entered, follow the prompts on your screen to review and complete the transaction. Before submitting, take one last moment to check the amount, recipient details, delivery method, and payment method. When everything looks correct, finish the process by following the final on-screen instructions. That's how to send money from the USA to India through Remitly.